In this video, we are going to be talking about how to use an iPad as a second monitor. And with the latest updates to one of the apps I've been using, this one's going to be talking about how you can increase this performance to get lagless with the new Duet app update. So previously before, I haven't made a video on this, but lots of people talk about using SpaceDesk, even using features to kind of make a personal hotspot. And not gonna lie, it was pretty laggy too. Lots of people on Reddit on the Duet Display subreddit mentioned being super laggy, not 60 FPS. And honestly, this is what my performance used to be before the latest update came out. But if you check the Windows notes in February, it's now April before I actually tested this since being on my road trip. You can see significant reduction in latency and also improvement in NVIDIA graphics cards. So I don't know which one to attribute this to, either the NVIDIA or just the latency reduction, but you can see here I'm at energy efficient, 60 FPS. I couldn't tell the difference between high power or not. But look, you look at this video, which I just recorded from my iPhone, you can see it's like pretty much lagless, even at 60 FPS. So obviously I've made content on this gaming laptop before, which is 144 hertz. But you can see here for a second monitor, the resolution is full iPad resolution, 60 FPS. I used to use this just for like watching Twitch or some other static content like Word documents or reading. Now it could be, just useful as a second monitor. Before in SpaceDesk, I would have to go to get like the resolution I wanted. I would have to go really low. I don't know why it hasn't been this bad at lagging, but with this content, it's not bad. So what most people recommend who use SpaceDesk previously is to use the hotspot on your laptop, turn it on, connect it with the iPad. But even what I found to get settings that match at least what I would use, because I don't like lag, you have to put the resolution like way down. You can see here like how small that box is, and even if I click in and zoom in a little bit here, um, you know the lowest setting I could get, and even now I don't know why it's lagging this bad, but yeah, that is what you would have to do. So yeah, this update has been around since February, but I just haven't had the need to really test a second monitor. I've actually on my road trip have had monitors, but currently traveling a little bit right now and I have the iPad and wanted to test it out. So you just go to this website. It's actually just $15 one-time payment. I can't confirm. I don't have Duet Air, so I don't know what the latency performance is. But for this direct connection, this thing slaps, guys. So if you've been looking for a way to get your iPad as a second monitor for $15, you might as well just try it out now. And there's that return period. You're gonna get the high resolution connected. This is probably the best performance I've seen so far with anything I've tested. I'm not gonna use SpaceDesk anymore, like directly wired in. You can see here 60 FPS. I know it's just a window test, but you can kind of see definitely not laggy, responding to my mouse movements like almost instantaneously. I think Duet has finally done it. It's like the sidecar of Windows. Hope you guys try it out.